Hi, I'm Michael. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here at the Hilton Shanghai Fengxian Hotel. I hope this video can help you knowing about this hotel. The hotel is located in Fengxian district, the south middle part of Shanghai. It is designed as a resort and has a huge fountain pool. You can find little animals right here. The ecological garden nearby includes lakes, arch bridge, and various trees. Great nature. There are go-karts for kids, and plenty of space for party. There is outdoor swimming pool, which is not open for this time due to the season. There is also a small zoo with camels, horses, and other animals. This is a pond for children fishing. The hotel includes two types of villa. The right side is multi-store villa. The left side is a flat villa. This villa is rented to a month's child care company named Fashion Mommy for postnatal rehabilitation and infant care. This is my room, the Lakeview type, located on the 5th floor of the hotel main building. Very well maintained, modern Chinese decoration style. Brand new Hilton interior design. Curtains were motorized, at outside balcony can looks out over the fountain pool as well as the entire indoor park. Complimentary tea bags, instant coffee, soft drinks, and beer and snacks are available inside the room minibar, but not free refills. Hilton owner members' welcome amenities include nuts, grapes, and yellow peach soda. Since I am a Hilton Diamond member, I have access to the hotel executive lounge, also located on the 5th floor with a balcony, parlor, and the meeting room. Afternoon tea is served as well as happy hour. Afternoon tea includes soft drinks, various cakes, fruits, cheese, egg roll, sandwiches, salads, coffee, and more. Happy hour starts at 6 p.m. Wine, beer, and soft drinks are available. Cold cut, sushi, cheese, salads, appetizers, and varieties of fruit. Unlike in the US, the Hilton in China also offers a full meal during happy hour, and today's meal offers stir-fry snail as well as roast meatball, served with white rice and a sesame ball. Seriously, the meal in executive lounge tasted pretty mediocre. I decided to go to the hotel Chinese restaurant for dinner, choosing the 8-course set menu for two, which is about $40. It includes crispy chicken, pine-boiled pork, shrimp, steamed cake, and so on. Very tasty, much better than happy hour's meal. Especially the crispy chicken was better than any upscale Cantonese restaurant in Shanghai. Crispy, juicy, and tender. After dinner scene, there are fireworks outside. It's common in urban area in China. Breakfast is buffet style with a wide variety of choices, include Chinese, continental, and American. There are dim sum, rice noodle, chow mein, fried rice, congee, rice bowl, potato, bacon, hash brown, stewed beans, bread, toast, fruit. The drink include coffee, milk, fruit and veggie mixed juice. After Shanghai government subsidies, one night stay costs roughly $75. After checkout, I get 5K points in my membership account. It's really worth. If you like my video, please follow me. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.